Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the website in 2 minutes. Okay. Now what you are going to do is first I am going to go to that website which is a Gamma AI. This is a respective website for the Gamma AI. First you are logging in. Okay, it's successfully login. You can be able to see successfully login. So the first time if you are going to log in, it asks it asks you the Gmail credential. If you have a Gmail account, you will be able to select that respective Gmail account and you will be able to log in. So this Gamma AI is very best for making the website. Okay, so this is a complete AI website. Click create, generate, go to the generate option. Here we will be able to see the web page. Here web page, we will be able to select web page. Here you have to select here. You can describe what kind of a website you like. Okay, what site website you like. So where your shop located. Okay, now imagine you have launched a new web shop uh, regarding toys, children toys. So based on that shop you need to create the website. So you just the simple prompt I'm going to giving here. uh, Only I'm going to create that all the text the later on we can change the text. Only we can uh, design the web page. Okay, so you whatever idea you have you can implement it over here. So you can see if you have to go to the chat gpt and ask what you need. Okay, so that I am going to act as a, you just put the front as a act as a world best web designer. I am going to launch a launching a new shop regarding toys. I need the website. Website. Okay, website. Primary. I need a attractive one. I need the eye catchy one. One. Eye catchy one. Toys regarding toy shops. Toy shop. Children's toy shop. Children. You can give some specific. Okay, so that here you can give the detail one in detail. Okay, whatever come in your mind, you everything you can implement. Here the primary key, primary color. You can tell the color code as well. Primary color. Can use it. Blue. You can first tell them the background color. Background color white. Primary color. Everything you can tell them. Okay. Primary color blue. Secondary color orange, like that. Okay, uh, that's it. Okay, that all the text we would be later on we can edit. So we can tell that I'm going to launch a new shop. I need a website. Uh, I need the eye catchy one background color is this one. We can ask need a prompt for this requirements. Okay, can tell them like that separately, so AI understand easy. So this one you can put it. I need a prompt for these requirements. So I can act as the I'm launching a new shop regarding the shop toys. I need the website. I need the eye-catching one. Need the prompt for these requirements. You can tell them everything in detail. Click on it. This is the one. Okay. This is the one. Everything's there. So sticky, everything category wise, everything's are there. So you can, if you want, you can everything you can put it over here. That we just put it this one, the prompt branding gamma branding hero section header. I given. Let's check. Okay, the minimal you can select this one default. Okay, so I just gave the simple thing. Okay, so you can select this one minimal. You can select the minimal as well. Okay, so I just what is the idea come in my mind, so I just put into here. Okay, so if you have any things, what is in your mind, you can explore here. So you have to wait. Okay, it is everything. It will be creating so that okay. Now you can see the website is ready. You can see there are you can be able to see you can see the nice cover image. You can see here. Okay, you will be able to implement the log and all later on will be implemented. So here you will be able to simply edit the text. What is your text come here. Okay, so the shop now everything you will be here. Here we will be able to change the color. What the color we are requested, it is not updated, so you will be able to update it over here. Simply your text color and everything you will be able to update it. The button, links, preview, everything's are there or in detail. So here you can see the toy shop, the perfect. There are images. There are here the nice image of here. Each page you will be able to visit here. Each section of the page here that trusted by parents, loving by the satisfied the past delivery, everything here implemented here. Okay, so that is the things we need. Here the 0 to 2 years up to 9 years kid. Yeah, the testimonials also we have include the testimonials, feature previous buyers who satisfy or not. They leave the review as well. There are trusted. They build the trust. We can put this one. There are plenty of things we are implemented. There are plenty of things we are implemented. This is the very best side. So you can, if you want publish and see what happened, you can click publish, and we'll be checking what happened. You will be able to see. View the site. Now you're able to see. Okay. This is a simple site we made, so that this kind of a site we will be able to do it. Here only 2 minutes works. It is not that much of a works. Okay, so you will be able to edit this site. If you have any things you have to edit it, you will be able to go to that slide, and what you have to edit, you will be able to edit. Okay, so if you want to add the new card section, you will be able to add the new card section as well, so that we will be easily we will be able to do these things. Okay, you have to add the links. Okay, the everything you have to do it as a web page. So the web page you have only one page. If you will be telling that I need more pages, you can tell that and you can get it. Okay, zero section, what are the things you have to include? Everything's coming here. Shop export a category. Okay, here this everything's are there. Whatever I did, everything's are coming here. Find the perfect items. Okay, so everything you will be able to get it. Okay, so this kind of a website you will be able to make the with AI. You must try it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching.